Ladies and gentlemen, now beating off on camera, Scotty.
They don't call me the hammer for nothing, boys.
That's what his grinder says, anyway.
You ready?
Ooh! Oh, daddy! Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Ay, Chihuahua. All right.
Surprisingly enough,
Nice.
that feels really, really good.
All right. Look, we just saved money. We don't have to buy that.
Boingy, 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 boingy.
Oh, God. Hey, you're next.
The worms crawl in, the worms crawl out,
Oh, boy.
This is the way we wash the... That one didn't go either?
No.
Okay, damn.
So you're going to do the other rotor now?
Yep. I gotta get the other hooky things off.
All right. Well, when you get the other hookers off, I'll come over there and watch you beat off.
Ooh, baby. Yeah.
It's definitely Monday around here.
Oh, I can tell it's Monday.
And it's getting hot because Scotty's actually more functional.
The hotter it gets, the better I move.
That's nuts. All right. See you in a minute. I'm kind of disappointed. You beat off without me.
Right? Well, once in a while, I like to kind of do it on my own.
All right, cool. So your next step, Mayana,
Is gonna be
Get
the
those
exhaust
little-
system.
we gotta get the lower arms off the back first.
Yeah.
Pull the lower arms. Probably do the exhaust system and then start on the front suspension. Yeah.
Ja.
Yeah. Yeah.
Das ich meine Movie.
It's coming along good. Yeah.
Ja.
Yeah. Ooh, exhaust system. Ooh. All right. And then maybe if I get frisky enough, I will start making those brake lines for you too. That'll be nice.
Ja.
Yeah. I gotta find him boing boings.
Good boing, boing, boing.